Hey guys, I had a minute to make a video, so I'm just getting to it. Yeah, today it's like almost 9 o'clock at night, and I just didn't have time to work on a project today. And that has to be okay. I'm a dad, I have 3 young kids, a wife, and we like to spend time with friends and family, and my list of projects is pretty long, so I'm always trying to get something done, but if you're a parent, I know you understand, but it's okay to just not get to it. There's gonna be more time. There's always more time to do a project later, but I think it's important to also set the time aside to be with family. They are gonna remember if you're always running off to be working by yourself on a project, especially when they're young. My boys, they love to do puzzles and draw, talk, play with their toy animals, pretty much anything. Just have FaceTime with me, and I can't justify telling them, no, I'm too busy, I want to build this project, or I want to make a video about this. I know that they, at the end of the day, they need to know that I'm there for them and that I care about what they want to do. And I hope someday maybe they'll like to do projects too and do some woodworking, and I will do my best to teach them how to do all the things that I know how to do. I think they're valuable, but there will be time. And I just want to encourage anyone else out there who feels like they don't have time to do projects that they see on YouTube or anywhere else. It's fun to dream, and developing those skills takes time, and sometimes money to buy tools, even if they're not very expensive, they add up. I get that. I've acquired tools over the years, and I still have many on my list that I'd love to get. But making do with what you got and prioritizing, putting your family first, you're never going to regret that in the long run. Pouring into the people you care about is greater than any project, even the most beautiful woodworking project that you could come up with. It's not going to mean anything if you cast your family and friends aside to make it happen. Not that everybody who makes beautiful things is doing that, but it's okay to give yourself grace when you don't get as much done as you want to because things pop up. Kids are sick, kids have extracurricular things that you need to attend to, and you just can't beat yourself up, because what's the point, right? Eventually you'll get time again. You'll get down here. Sure, your shop might be a mess. I've got shavings all over the floor right now. I even have a shop vac right next to my bench, and I don't always make time to clean up after myself, just because of the simple fact that usually I'm trying to get something done in a very small window of time. Maybe there's a kid taking a nap and you want to take advantage of that time to make some progress on a project rather than spend over half of it cleaning up just to know that you're going to make another mess anyway. And yes, it's important to clean your shop and keep things tidy, but when you're working with a 15 to 30 minute window, sometimes it's easier just to push all the dust and the mess out of the way and try to get something done so that you feel like you were able to at least make some progress. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. That's how I feel about projects sometimes. It can be disheartening when you want to be getting something done, or you know, you have to force yourself to take care of something that, you know, like I've got some house projects that I'm not that excited about. I'm not huge into plumbing, but if a pipe leaks, I have to put some of my fun projects on hold to go fix the pipe or address other issues that are going on in the house. And I think that that is the way a lot of people feel, but keep going. And with a little time and practice over months, years, you'll get there. You'll get it done. It might take 5 times longer than you think it should, but you got it. We got it. So stay tuned for some more woodworking. I have a few things that I'm making that I want to share. But let me know if you can relate to this feeling at all of not being able to get back to the project that you want to do right now because you've got kids and you love them and you want to be there for them too. So leave something down in the comments about that, and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.